Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we need to change dy over dx. Next, we put y on the left, dx on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one first. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus s to the power of 3. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have 3s squared dx. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u. S squared dx we change by the u over number 3. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we return back to this one. This one we have y squared over 2. This one we change by this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.